We're talking about specific type of backtesting. Let me just type in here. Um, yeah, other this type of backtesting just use us researching some specific parameters. You get so we have let's this is an example I'm giving here. So I want to backtest bullish and bearish heads and shoulders in GBP AED, pound to Australian dollar, and I'll be using the hourly chart, 1 hour chart, and then I'm checking a 3 month period from now to 3 months ago. You get some testing for efficiency and rate of target success. So how many times you work, how many times you fail. So plus level of success. Level of success that I need here is how far did I mean how close was it to take profit. You get how many times did it stop loss, how close if it didn't hit take profit, did it go close to the take profit, you get. So this is what we are looking for in this survey. You get let me see. Where is that? Alright. So this is GBP AED here. Let me delete all the objects so that we can start something clean. I'll delete everything. Alright, so now we're about to check a 3 month period. I'm going down to let me just see it on the daily chart. So a 3 month period is 60 days. Get so why is it 60 days? Because in trading we only use the weekdays. So in a month you have 20 weekdays. In 3 months you have 60 weekdays. So a period of 3 months is 60 days, right? So I'll now use my pointer to count 60 days. Yes, so that puts me, sorry about that. I think it puts me around here. 60 days. Come on. Okay, this candle. Let me just keep my eye on that. After the other block. A vertical line. I'm going to the vertical line there. So this is my 60 days backward. Right? So I'm backtesting from this point forward. You understand? So now I'm getting down to my 1 hour chart. Since I said I'm backtesting on the hourly chart. Right? So I'm backtesting from here. This line. All the way forward. All this price action. I want to look for head and shoulders pattern. Whether it's bullish or bearish. So whether it's normal head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulder. I'm looking for situations where it worked and where it didn't. You understand? So I'm going to zoom in now, and then I can now start looking through it with head. So here we see head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then we went down, tested again. So let's see if we now hit our target there. So we're going to put in. So we have one example here. So put it then we said head and shoulder. We're measuring from here to just to here, for example. So the base of the shoulder, and then we'll this as I'll take profit. So I'll duplicate that. So this will be our entry point. Then we'll test it. Right. So here, it did not hit our TP, but went very close to it. Understand? So we went close to our TP. Very, very close. So you can see where we almost we have one win now. We have one win. But it was not a complete win, but it is one win out of one. So we'll keep going back. Find out more examples. Check out more examples. But move forward again. I have inverted head and shoulder here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. And we broke out. Tested again. This bound candle here, we went up and tested back. So it's we are around where our entry point is doing. So our insert necessary things. So this is not what I wanted. I needed a trend line. Yes. So this is our neckline here. Right? If you remember. So we'll insert our shape again. What did you do? So this is we'll measure it as our profit target. So we'll now measure that again from where we tested. And you can see this one hit our target and we went very high. So this is 2 wins out of 2, right? So we'll look for more examples. So I trying to look at I don't know if you get the idea what I'm doing now. I try to look at the efficiency of this pattern on the particular chart. Yes, I'm trying to find the efficiency on the particular chart. So this is like inverted head and shoulder again. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So we have we don't have a proper retest here. That we're using this one. It's support, but this is not a proper inverted head and shoulder because who actually is that way. Yes, so who is that way? And if you did use it, it still works. It still works fine, very very fine. So I gave us a very big drawdown here. So if we enter here now, our drawdown is about 33 pips. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad actually. So this one is a nice trade, but I'm not going to count it because it's not something that everybody's gonna take. Get. So here we have another inverted head and shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Right? So waist up. Then I'll put in my trend line to connect neckline a bit. You remember. So this is here is that our test. So add in we'll start our rectangle from the base of that contact point down to the base of the head a bit. And then we'll now take a copy of this and then see. So this one also got to our target eventually. It took I can also measure how long this pattern took to, reach our take profit. So in this case it took us 59 hours, like 60 hours of time. So that's about a little more than 2 days. You get so as much data as you want to take from this. That take how long it took the sorting to form, how many times you need purpose, how many times you need sticky. So as you can see on this PNI, it seems the head and shoulders work very well. We have had 3 examples and all of them work. So in this kind of backtesting, you keep on going backward until you finish the whole period of what you are looking for. So you get all those data and you record the outcome of it. So this is where your finding will end. So this is what we have in specific backtesting to testing specific parameter. You get to that's between this type and general. So I personally prefer this type because it gives me more insight into what I'm actually doing. Yeah. This is all for backtesting. So in backtesting now you're able to record all the information you are having from this. The success rates, the amount of time taken, rate for code, what happened from there with your higher time frame. So for different is as many things as you want to test. You get. That's what we're doing specific backtesting. As very, very, very simple spam methods. So I will end this video. I hope you guys have learned something very beautiful from this.